Yeah, I'm back in my house. Now these are my birds. These are all my birds at home. Sako min kajin nan. Buɗo kajin nan su fito. These are my birds. Yeah. This Modena pigeon. Giant Brahma. Brahma chicken. You can see them. Frillback. You can see them. Indian fantails. In Nigeria, they refer it to as 3-in-1. You can see. Jacobin. You can see them. Indian fantails. This one is American fantail. They are about to hatch. As you can see, they have hatched one. They have hatched one. This is silky chicken. Silky chicken. You can see them. There's Poeta. Poeta. Capuchin. About to lay egg. Capuchin. You can see them. People coming in. Auntie Agari. Abati. Ya kokari. Sannan ina dauka ne zan saka online. Modena pigeon. So mashallah, this is what we do. We are moving to where we are rearing rams. Now post it for you to see. Thank you very much.